Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to discuss business lessons to learn from Queen Elizabeth II. For the 95 or 96 years that she lived, she have done many things since she became the queen. Most of these are really inspiring and have some leadership and deep business lessons. So today we are going to look at three main ones that you should start applying in your business now if you have not started. So the number one of these lessons is to be frugal in your business spending. The queen has been very frugal even as a young person. For instance, it was reported that when she wanted to get married to Prince Philip, she had to use the royal coupon. She had to use a coupon to buy her own wedding dress. Now, literally, many would think she's from a royal family. She has all the money that she can get, so she will not mind using all this coupon ratio when it comes to buying anything for her own wedding or buying anything at all. But that was not true. She used the royal coupon ratio to get her own wedding dress. Also, the royal chef from 1989 to 2000 confirmed it that even in the royal family they do store leftover food. So this is something amazing. This is a practical demonstration of frugality. And when it comes to business, every business owner or organization must be very keen on spending, not to spend unnecessarily on things that will not bring profitability or will not give sustainability to the business. So the first lesson is don't waste anything. Be frugal in your business spending. The second lesson is brand low and high. Brand low and high. In her lifetime, she became the most traveled monarch in the history of the world because she have traveled to over 116 countries on 265 different official assignments. She did this to strengthen the international relationship that the UK have with other countries, both the top tier countries and third world countries, including Nigeria, and study many African countries and cultures. So in your business, you don't have to remain at the top, or as a CEO, you don't have to remain at the top forever. You have to come down, learn about the underground discussions that are going on, because in most of the cases these discussions that happen underground, these low level employee frustrations, are likely going to affect the organization as a whole. Also, brand low and high to your buyers or customers so that only the high will not just know about your offering, and vice versa. So the queen understood these strategies and used it more effectively. So the final business lesson here is analyze your impact. Again, the queen became the most traveled monarch in the whole world. And one of the things she did when she traveled is to analyze her actions and the UK's significance in other countries, the respect people accord to the UK and the whole monarch in other countries. This is because except you can analyze and measure your impact, you don't know what you have achieved and the next strategy to set for your business. For every strategy that you implement, make it a goal to always analyze the significance and the impact of that strategy. Is it working? Is it not working? How do you improve? How do you suspend? All these things has to be in place. So those are the three main lessons to learn from Queen Elizabeth II when it come to running your business, both as a business person and as a company. Don't forget to check the comment section. I leave some valuable link there. Explore them to your own advantage. Don't forget to subscribe to my email where I send you business, marketing, sales strategies and tactics every 7 days.